Hey guys, Bonus PV guy here doing a airsoft review on the new Crosman X9 goggles right here. So get it on the weight. So yeah, really nice. That's why I'm wearing my airsofting Vietnam hat I got from my grandpa. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this off. Put my hat off. These things on. And Vietnam hat. So yeah, as you can see, it looks really good. These babies will hold up anything. Nice, the rubber lining here really feels great on the face. They never fog up, not yet, anyways. Thanks guys. Rate, comment, subscribe, guys.